Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope all is well with you guys. If you're new on the channel guys, please don't forget to subscribe and welcome. But guys, please don't forget to press the notification bell. So guys, today what am I cooking today? Today I am going to make some stewed chicken thigh, and I'm also gonna make some macaroni salad and a little white rice. As you guys know, I told you guys that I'm trying to stay off the white rice, but most of the meat goes good with white rice. So I said, let me just make a little bit since it goes with the stew chicken thigh, and then I'll just make a little macaroni salad so you guys can see. And it's not a big meal, it's just something simple, but I bring it to you guys so you can see what I'm doing today. So continue watching the video and you'll see what's coming next. Guys, so I have some chicken thigh here that I'm gonna season. Some salt to taste, garlic powder. As I always say guys, you can put your own ingredients, okay? And I use what I like, so I try not to use too much of these bottle seasoning, but I use salt and then everything else is natural. I'm wearing gloves guys. I'm gonna pour a little habanero, give it a little taste, a little spicy. Okay guys, so I'm gonna let it sit for maybe 20 minutes and then I'll come cook it. So for the macaroni salad, I am going to boil some elbow macaroni. And I'll leave it there until it gets soft. Okay guys, I'm also making some white rice. I'm gonna leave it on a low fire. I'm gonna cover it and cook it on a low fire. I'm gonna place the chicken in the hot skillet. Guys, this is a chicken that I added the fresh spices and I mixed some water with some cornstarch, salt added for taste, and I just pour it on top of the chicken. So I'm gonna put it on a low fire, cover it, and let it finish cook. I'm gonna let it get to a boil and then I'll cover it and cook it on a low fire. Okay guys, so the elbow macaroni is all cooked, so I already added some scallion and onions, and you don't have to put the onions if you don't like onions, but I do like onions. So what I'm gonna do now is add some mixed vegetable. I already added the mayonnaise, so I'm just gonna stir this together, and voila, it's all done. And this salad is gluten-free. That's the reason why it looks like that. So already put the I put some as I say, I put some celery and some onions, and I added the mixed vegetable. So it's all done guys. Macaroni salad. So now guys, let me show you the chicken. It's all done. The chicken is all done. Smell good, guys. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna serve me some, and we'll go over to okay, guys. So I am gonna serve me some macaroni salad. I don't want much. I think that's enough for me. So now I'm gonna serve me some rice. Not too much rice. That's it for me. That's enough. And now I'm gonna serve me some chicken. That's enough for me. Okay, guys. So guys, this is a macaroni salad, white rice, and some stew chicken thighs. So now we're gonna go over to taste time and see how it came. Okay, guys, it's taste time. Taste time. So now I am gonna taste the chicken rice and some stewed chicken. I should say stewed chicken, rice, and macaroni salad. This is the chicken, guys. Macaroni salad. It's really nice, guys. Really, really nice. A little bit hot, but I can handle it. A little bit hot. The chicken is delicious. The chicken and rice, guys. Salad. It's delicious. Really nice. The habanero sauce did a job on it. It's a little bit hot, but it makes it more spicy, but it's delicious. The chicken is delicious, guys. Well seasoned and very tender. Very, very tender. And one thing I like with the fresh ingredients, it just boosts the flavor of the food, especially the meat. Guys, this is really nice. Really, really nice. Some macaroni salad. And then the elbow macaroni that I chose was the gluten-free, and it came out really nice. Even though it's gluten-free, it came out really nice. It's not that heavy, eh? Not that heavy, you know, like when you buy the regular elbow macaroni, you feel that starchy heaviness. Not with this one. Light. Delicious, guys. Well seasoned. And as I said, I don't use the seasoning bottle because I think they add chemicals to those powder spices. So I always use 100% the fresh spices. The chicken. Mm. Mm. The fresh spices just boost the flavor of the food naturally, and it gives it that extra taste. Mm-hmm. I love to put pimento seed in my food, but my son he doesn't like when I put it because he says that I should grind it up. But what I do, I usually mash it because I don't have a grinder. But pimento seed is something I have to put in my food because it just makes the food taste so good, really good. Mm. Mm. This is really nice. And then like what I put the habanero sauce on it. It gives that a little spice in it. It's not extremely hot, but it just give it that special touch. And it's really nice. Really, really nice. Mm. Mm. I don't mind removing the pimento seed from the food because, as I said, I like how it makes the food taste. So, mm. Mm. So, guys, it's gonna be all for today. Thanks for being here with me. Thanks for seeing the video. Hope to see you in the next video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.